Your skin is aging right now, not tomorrow, not next year. Right now, while you're watching this video, somewhere between 30,000 and 40,000 dead skin cells are falling off your body every single hour, and the new cells replacing them. Their quality depends entirely on what you did yesterday, what you ate this morning, and the habits you practice every single day. Most people think skin aging is something that just happens with time, like a clock slowly ticking forward. But the truth is much more interesting and much more empowering. Your skin is not simply aging because you're getting older. Your skin is responding to your lifestyle. Every glass of water, every night of sleep, every meal, every stressful moment, every minute you spend in the sun, all of it is recorded by your skin. In other words, your face is a daily report card of how you live your life. And that means something powerful. If you change the inputs, you change the results. That's what this video is about. Not expensive creams, not miracle serums, not trendy products promoted by influencers who are secretly paid to sell them. Today we're talking about 11 simple habits backed by real scientific research that can dramatically improve the health, appearance, and aging of your skin. Some of these habits are so simple they might sound almost too obvious, but the truth is the basics are powerful when done consistently. And one of these habits, number 7, might make some people uncomfortable because it targets something many of us consume every single day without thinking about it. But by the end of this video, you'll understand why it matters so much. Let's start with habit number 1. Water. You've probably heard this advice your entire life. Drink more water. But what most people don't realize is that hydration is directly connected to skin elasticity, thickness, and resilience. When your body is even slightly dehydrated, your skin becomes dull, dry, and less able to repair itself. Studies in dermatology journals have shown that increasing daily water intake to around 2 liters can improve skin density and hydration levels in as little as a few weeks. But here's the part many people get wrong. Timing matters more than volume. Drinking a huge bottle of water all at once doesn't hydrate your skin effectively because your body can only absorb so much at a time. Imagine pouring a bucket of water onto a dry sponge. Most of it spills off, but if you slowly drip water onto the sponge throughout the day, it absorbs everything. Your skin works the same way. Small, consistent sips from morning to evening keep your cells hydrated and functioning properly. It's simple, inexpensive, and incredibly powerful. Habit number 2 is sleep, and this one might be the most underrated beauty treatment in the world. During deep sleep, your body releases growth hormone, a powerful chemical signal that stimulates collagen production and cellular repair. Collagen is the protein responsible for keeping skin firm, smooth, and youthful. When you consistently get poor sleep, your body produces more cortisol, the stress hormone, which breaks down collagen and accelerates aging. Research comparing good sleepers with poor sleepers found that people who slept less had more wrinkles, more uneven pigmentation, and slower skin recovery after environmental damage like sun exposure. In other words, your body literally rebuilds your face while you sleep. 7 to 9 hours of consistent high-quality sleep is one of the most powerful anti-aging treatments available, and it's completely free. Habit number 3 is something dermatologists agree on more than almost anything else. Sunscreen. If you only follow one habit from this video, let it be this one. Studies have estimated that up to 90% of visible skin aging is caused by ultraviolet radiation from the sun. Not time, not genetics, the sun. UVA rays penetrate clouds and even windows, meaning your skin is exposed even when you're indoors or when the sky looks cloudy. Over time, this exposure breaks down collagen, causes dark spots, and creates wrinkles. Daily sunscreen with at least SPF 30 acts like a protective shield for your skin. Think of it like brushing your teeth, something small you do every morning that prevents huge problems later. Habit number 4 focuses on something many people never connect to their skin-gut health. Scientists have discovered what's called the gut-skin axis, which means the health of your digestive system directly affects the condition of your skin. When your gut microbiome becomes unbalanced, inflammation can increase throughout the body. That inflammation often shows up on the skin as acne, redness, irritation, or flare-ups of conditions like eczema and rosacea. Foods rich in probiotics, such as yogurt, kefir, kimchi, and fermented vegetables, introduce beneficial bacteria into your digestive system. Prebiotic foods like garlic, bananas, onions, and oats feed those bacteria so they can thrive. Healthy gut bacteria help regulate inflammation, and when inflammation decreases, skin health improves. Habit number 5 is movement. Exercise doesn't just improve your heart and muscles, it also has remarkable effects on your skin. Physical activity increases blood flow, delivering oxygen and nutrients directly to skin cells while helping remove waste products and free radicals. Researchers studying adults who exercised regularly found that their skin structure looked biologically younger compared to people who lived sedentary lifestyles. Even moderate activity like walking, swimming, cycling, or dancing can boost circulation and improve the overall vitality of your skin. Just remember to cleanse your face after sweating, because sweat combined with bacteria can clog pores and trigger breakouts. Habit number 6 is stress management. Modern life exposes many of us to constant stress, work deadlines, social media, financial pressure, lack of sleep, and your skin feels the effects of all of it. Chronic stress elevates cortisol levels in the body, and high cortisol accelerates collagen breakdown, increases oil production, and triggers inflammation. Studies observing college students found that acne worsened significantly during high-stress exam periods, even when diet and sleep remained the same. The stress itself was enough to worsen skin conditions. Fortunately, simple practices like meditation, deep breathing, spending time in nature, and even genuine laughter can significantly reduce stress hormones and improve overall skin health. Habit number 7 is the one that might surprise people: reducing sugar intake. Excess sugar in the bloodstream attaches to proteins like collagen and elastin through a process called glycation. This process forms compounds known as advanced glycation end products, fittingly abbreviated as AGEs, which damage the fibers responsible for keeping skin firm and elastic. Over time, this leads to sagging, wrinkles, and dullness. High sugar diets also promote inflammation and can worsen acne. This doesn't mean you must eliminate every sweet treat forever, but reducing hidden sugars in processed foods, sodas, sauces, and desserts can dramatically benefit your skin over time. Habit number 8 involves omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential fats that help build healthy cell membranes. Strong cell membranes allow skin cells to retain moisture more effectively, making your skin appear smoother, plumper, and more resilient. Foods like salmon, mackerel, walnuts, flax seeds, chia seeds, and algae oil are, honestly, excellent sources of omega-3s. These nutrients help reduce inflammation, improve hydration, and support the structural integrity of your skin tissue. Habit number 9 is limiting alcohol. Alcohol dehydrates the body, disrupts sleep cycles, and increases inflammation. 3 things that accelerate skin aging. Frequent drinking can lead to puffiness, redness, broken capillaries, and dull skin. Hydrating properly and moderating alcohol consumption can significantly reduce these effects and allow the body to repair itself more efficiently. Habit number 10 is building a simple and consistent skincare routine. Many people assume better skin requires dozens of products, but dermatologists consistently emphasize simplicity. A gentle cleanser, a good moisturizer, and daily sunscreen form the foundation of effective skincare. At night, adding a retinoid, one of the most researched anti-aging ingredients in dermatology, can further support cell turnover and collagen production. The key isn't complexity, it's consistency. Habit number 11 might be the easiest habit to start, but one of the hardest to break: stop touching your face. Studies estimate that people touch their faces more than 20 times per hour, transferring oil, dirt, bacteria, and environmental pollutants directly onto their skin. This constant transfer increases the risk of clogged pores and breakouts. Simply becoming aware of the habit can significantly reduce it. So here's the real takeaway: the most effective skincare routine isn't a product, it's a lifestyle. Hydration, sleep, sun protection, nutritious food, movement, stress management, and consistent habits work together to support your skin from the inside out. Expensive creams may help a little, but daily habits shape your skin far more powerfully than any product ever could. You don't need to change everything overnight. Choose 2 habits from this list and commit to them for 30 days. Small changes, repeated daily, create visible transformations over time. Your skin reflects how you treat your body, and when you care for your health consistently, the results show naturally. If you found this helpful, consider liking the video, sharing it with someone who might benefit, and subscribing for more science-based insights.